Guys, welcome back to my channel. You're done with the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are the them? Guys, in today's video, I'll be doing an exercise video today. And I'll be targeting the back fat area right here. When I lean like this, you see it. I hate it so much. I used to have love handles. That's what I used to call them. I used to have 3 big rolls here. And I worked very hard to get them down to this. I really want, when I arch like this doesn't show. So the exercises that I'm going to be doing, today is really to target your lower back area to have you get that hourglass shape without the crease. So that's what we're going to be doing now. The products I'll be using, I'm going to show you. First and foremost, what we must have is the great belly gun. This you can get at MELICASKYLIFE at bigcartel.com. The link will be in the description box below. I'm going to show you how I apply this on my tummy area to get the best results. Now for the belly gun, I use it every time I'm working out. I work out 4 to 5 times per week. I'm a good week when I be myself, you know. And I tell you, this product works magic. From day one I've been using this product. From when I was 200, now I'm 165 pounds. And I'm still using it to get these results. So let's go. So guys, right now I am going to apply the belly gun on my area. I take a handful, and if I need to put more, I do that. But I moisturize my belly and I just rub it in, you know, just to target the areas that I want to burn or sweat more on. Ooh, that booty though, them squats be working. Yeah, so I just rub it in and make sure that I moisturize the area. If I have any left back, I rub it on my hand or my chest just to sweat more in the other areas. Now I am going to put on my gloves. I normally wear my gloves when I'm working out. Why? Because when I know it just makes me feel hype, and also when I'm at the gym and lifting weights, because I lift heavy, I always wear my gloves. So it's like a routine for me now. I have some weights that I'm going to be working with, so I'm going to put on my gloves. You know, it makes me feel like I'm working out, and it's needed as well. So yeah, those are my gloves. Pretty soon maybe I'll have my brand of gloves that you guys can, don't play with me, no youth. Pretty soon maybe I'll have my brand of gloves that you guys can purchase. Now I'll be applying my exercising belt, a very vital tool to burning and shaping and sculpting my body the way I want. My belt, these belts just maybe will be on the site as well very soon, because they do give me great results, and I want to share that with you. I make sure that I wrap it tight, and then I pull one strap at the top, one at the bottom, just to pull me in and give me that hourglass shape. You see, I'm very smooth at the back. So another thing that we should have is our towel, because we're going to be working with it. If you don't have an exercising mat, your face rag to wipe your face, always a sweat. And this is how we're basically gonna start and, you know, get set up. I have these 2 weights too. My mother made them for me at home, very simple to make, so you can make those. Just maybe I show you guys how to make them in the future. Now we are going to start with a swing from side to side, and remember, we are targeting the back fat. The key is to go slow and steady. Don't hurry up, take your time, control. Now the next exercise that we're going to be doing is the back bow. Now the back bow, you just extend your arms and legs off the floor and do that repeatedly. The other exercise is the Russian twist, where you sit on the tail of your buttocks and twist from side to side, but you're gonna do this in a controlled manner. You are in control, so you do not swing uncontrollably. Then we are going to be doing the paddle swimmers. Now the paddle swimmers is basically swimming. That's what you're doing. Then we will move on to our deadlift. Now for the deadlift, you just have to make sure that your legs are straight, your back is straight.
With your legs, you can have a slight bend when coming down, but your back must be straight. So how to have your back being straight? You can just look forward or look up to get that straight back. So you don't want to be rounding your shoulders. And if you look on my legs, they're very tight. I try to keep them in place. So that is what I do for the deadlifts. Now I am going to be doing the Purl extensions. Now the parallel extensions, you're just going to be extending your left arm with your right foot and your right arm with your left foot. And if you look at my buttocks, you see where you're doing the work, where the areas are being targeted. So you are going to be targeting your buttocks and your lower back, and that's the area that we want to burn the fat on. So we do that around 30 times, 30 reps. Now we are going to be doing the reverse flies. Now these look simple, but they're pretty hard. What you should do is make sure that your back is flat and you extend your arms as high as possible and you control the weights. When you're working with weights, never make the weights control you. You should be in control of the weights. You repeat these exercises 3.
So guys, thanks for staying until the end of the video. That's the end of my workout. One tip I want to leave with you guys today: in order for you to burn fat, lose weight, a key component that I know for sure is you have to do things that make you sweat more. Check my skin, check my body. I'm sweating like crazy. You know, so the exercises that you're doing, try to push yourself to sweat more. Even if I dance, you have a dance, try and sweat. That is the key to losing and burning fat and burning calories. That's something I know to be true. Now, in the last clip I'm going to show you here, I'm going to take off my exercising belt and show you how much will go on for my belly area and stuff. So that's what we're going to do now. Check it.
Ooh. So now we're going to take off the belt. What the belt does is help to keep your belly pulled in when you're exercising. So you're going to have that effect when you take off the belt. As you can see, I'm well pulled in. And these are the exercises that I've been practicing over and over and over again for months. And that is why my body is being sculpted like this. I have the slim thick look. And a lot of people I know would like that. And you can look at my back. You see that I have been working out and working my back and stuff like that. So I'm very proud of what I'm seeing here. And yeah.
Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button, guys. Definitely show the love. I really want to hear from you. Tell a friend. Share on Facebook and all the other platforms, because I don't have platforms like Facebook. Hit me up on Snapchat. I don't know, it's a girl, MELICASKYLIFE. And follow me on Instagram. That's where I'll be more like sharing content in terms of what I do in my day-to-day stuff. So keep it locked to MELICASKYLIFE TV. I'm out. Boom.